I mentioned briefly, as you did, there's extra areas that we of course work together on. I know that some of the investment in private sector development program has been hugely successful and really made a contribution to an increase in your GDP. And so again, that's an area we want to add additional support. So we've also set aside an additional $6.5 million in support for that private sector development program, with an ambition that money will go particularly to supporting your young people and women who are developing small business opportunities, accessing microfinancing, and so working closely with the Samoan Ministry of Commerce and your development bank to try and enhance that existing cooperation. Given that this region, half of the population could be defined as young people, I think that collectively we both are looking to what we can do domestically to support our young people into employment opportunities and supporting their business ideas.